Hello everyone, this is MariaLovesArt and I am going to show you how I made the face hugger on the cookie. I have already made a short for that, so you can check that out. It is very short. So I'm using some white fondant right now, and then I'm going to add different colors to it later. I am taking a little bit of fondant, not too much because the cookie is pretty small, and I am shaping it with my fingers as you can see in the video. If your fondant is sticky, go ahead and use a tiny bit of confectioner's sugar. I am measuring the body carefully, but then I have to make sure that the digits all fit on the cookie as well. I really had to think about what I was doing. That way it could come out the way I wanted it to. So let's start making the face hugger tail. What the tail does is it helps the face hugger leap. It also has the ability to strangle hosts. Here I am just using the fondant, trying to use my fingers so that way it could get a little long, and then I'm going to attach it to the body. So I ended up shaping it a bit, and at the end it makes a little curve. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some lines with this knife. So at this point I'm trying to see how I'm going to do this. I'm trying to see if it's going to work, and of course it will, but then I have to make the digits first. So what we need are 8 finger-like legs. I will be making the digits all the same way. I'm going to roll them and make them thin. I do want them to be about the same size. So these 8 legs allow the face hugger to run rapidly. Digits also allow the face hugger to grip. So it was so much easier to put everything together on the cookie. That way it would not fall apart. When you're doing this, you could just shape it the way you want it to be. This takes a lot of patience. Just make sure you have 4 digits on each side. So right now the face hugger is very delicate, and I'm going to make some more lines. Now I'm using my air gun. I put some brown food color in it. So now I'm adding a little bit of yellow orange food color to the face hugger, and then I'll be using some brown. I'm just using my finger. I am almost finished with this face hugger. Face hugger cookie was made for Alien Day. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great evening. Bye.